Welcome to Dr. Ayurvedi. Every single day, we bring you simple, effective, and time tested Ayurvedic remedies to help you live a healthier and happier life. If you want to improve your health naturally with quick daily Ayurvedic solutions, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss any remedy. But before we begin, an important message: do not follow random health tips from the internet or social media blindly. Many viral remedies can have negative effects on your health. At Dr. Ayurvedi, our goal is to fight misinformation and raise awareness. We carefully research and analyze every remedy to bring you safe, natural, and effective solutions. However, every body is different. Even natural remedies can affect individuals differently depending on their health condition. So always pay attention to your body. And if you notice any negative reaction, stop immediately and consult a professional. Now, let's explore today's powerful Ayurvedic remedy: rosemary oil for hair growth and thickness. Before we talk about the solution, let's understand the problem. Hair loss and thinning are increasingly common, affecting millions of people worldwide. But why does this happen? In Ayurveda, hair loss is linked to imbalanced Vata and Pitta doshas. When Vata is aggravated, hair becomes dry and brittle. When Pitta is imbalanced, it creates excess heat in the scalp, leading to hair fall and premature graying. Modern factors also contribute: poor scalp circulation. Nutrients don't reach hair follicles. Weak hair follicles, due to inflammation, DHT sensitivity, or nutritional deficiencies. Scalp inflammation, oxidative stress, hormonal imbalances, stress and lifestyle, sleep deprivation, poor diet, excess heat exposure. The good news? Nature has a proven solution, and it's been used for centuries in Ayurveda and traditional medicine. That solution is rosemary oil. So what makes rosemary oil so special for hair growth? Let's break down its powerful properties. 1. Antioxidant power. Rosemary contains carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid, potent antioxidants that neutralize free radicals damaging your hair cells. This protects follicles from premature aging and supports sustained growth. 2. Improves scalp circulation. When you massage rosemary oil into your scalp, it stimulates blood flow. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your hair follicles, reviving weak dormant roots and promoting thicker, stronger hair growth. 3. Anti-inflammatory action. Inflammation is a silent killer of hair growth. Rosemary oil soothes inflamed scalps, reduces redness, and creates a calm environment where hair can thrive. This is especially helpful if you have itching, dandruff, or scalp irritation. 4. Antimicrobial and antifungal. Bacteria and fungi can block hair follicles, causing hair loss. Rosemary oil fights these microbes naturally, keeping your scalp clean and healthy. 5. Strengthens hair structure. The oil penetrates deep into the hair shaft, conditioning from within. This makes hair thicker, shinier, and more resistant to breakage. 5. Strengthens hair structure. The oil penetrates deep into the hair shaft, conditioning from within. This makes hair thicker, shinier, and more resistant to breakage. 6. Balances doshas. Rosemary is warming and helps pacify excess Vata while cooling excess Pitta, bringing the scalp back into balance for optimal growth conditions. Scientific validation. A landmark 2015 study compared rosemary oil to minoxidil. After 6 months, both showed similar hair regrowth results. But rosemary oil caused fewer side effects like scalp irritation. Recent 2023 studies confirm benefits in hair length, density, thickness, and overall quality. Now here's exactly how to use rosemary oil for maximum hair growth results. Step 1. Choose quality rosemary oil. Use 100% pure, therapeutic-grade rosemary essential oil. Avoid synthetic or fragrance oils. They won't deliver the same benefits. Step 2. Dilute properly. Never apply pure essential oil directly to your scalp. It can irritate sensitive skin. Instead, mix 3 to 5 drops of rosemary oil with 1 teaspoon of carrier oil. Best carrier oils: coconut oil, jojoba oil, sesame oil, or almond oil. Example: 5 drops rosemary oil plus 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Perfect scalp treatment. Step 3. Prepare your scalp. For better absorption, use on a clean, dry scalp. You can either apply to freshly washed, towel-dried hair or apply to completely dry scalp in the evening. Step 4. Apply with massage. This is crucial. Massage activates the benefits. Part your hair into 4 to 5 sections. Apply the oil mixture directly to the scalp at the roots. Using fingertips, massage in slow circular motions for 2 to 5 minutes. Focus on areas with thinning or hair loss. Let the warmth from massage increase blood flow to follicles. Step 5. Leave on time. Choose based on your schedule. Minimum 30 minutes. Better, 2 to 3 hours. Best, overnight application. Let it work while you sleep. Step 6. Wash out. After the treatment period, rinse with lukewarm water first to open pores. Use a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo. Lather twice if needed. Follow with conditioner to lock in moisture. You can also add 2 to 3 drops of rosemary oil directly into your regular shampoo bottle for daily benefits. Pro tips for maximum results. Add 1 drop of peppermint oil to your blend for enhanced scalp stimulation and circulation. Use warm oil. Consistency is key. Irregular use won't show results. Avoid applying to wet scalp before going out. Here's an important truth. Hair growth is not overnight magic. Your hair has a natural growth cycle and patience is essential. Let me show you the realistic timeline. Frequency. Use rosemary oil treatment 2 to 3 times per week for optimal results. Timeline for results. Week 1-2. Your scalp feels calmer, less itchy, healthier. Hair feels softer and more hydrated. Week 3-4. Reduced hair fall. You'll notice fewer strands in your brush and shower. Week 6-8. New baby hairs starting to appear at the roots. Existing hair looks slightly thicker. 3 months. Noticeable improvement in hair thickness and density. Hair looks fuller and shinier. 6 months. Significant visible results. Hair is noticeably longer, thicker, and healthier. The 2015 research showed comparable results to minoxidil by this point. Important notes. Results vary based on age, genetics, and diet. For best results, combine with good sleep, stress management, healthy diet, rich in protein and vitamins, and staying hydrated. Consistency is everything. Commit to at least 2 applications per week. Make it a self-care ritual. So there you have it. A complete, natural, and scientifically backed solution for hair growth and thickness using rosemary oil. Now it's your turn. Try this remedy for at least 3 to 6 months for best results. Track your progress with photos. Pay attention to how your body responds. Stay consistent with 2 to 3 applications per week. Have you tried rosemary oil for hair growth? Do you have another hair loss remedy that worked for you? Drop your experience and questions in the comments below. Your story might help thousands of people struggling with the same issue. If this remedy helped you or you found this video valuable, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for daily Ayurvedic remedies. Comment your questions and share this with someone who needs it. Follow us for more time-tested natural health solutions. Remember, at Dr. Ayurvedi, we believe that nature has the answer to every health challenge. Health is not a destination, it's a journey. Take it one remedy at a time, one day at a time. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay natural. Namaste.